Hey Dazzling ladies, welcome back to my channel, and we're continuing on in this video with my how to dress expensive or how to look expensive in my elegance level up journey series. So still we're following the school of Affluence advice on how you should dress to look expensive or how you should dress to be affluent men. And once again, we're going to be following some tips off of my little cheat sheet here. So I decided to purchase another set of things that she recommended. She recommended these things in her video series that she did this month. It was 4 videos, and she was breaking down, staples that you need in your wardrobe, how you should dress and things like that. So I took her advice on some shoes that every woman should have, a staple shoe for the daytime and in the summer, and as well as some staple pieces for at night. So this time on the sheet, since last video I did silk, I ordered some silk items because that was a staple piece that you needed to have in your wardrobe. So if you didn't see that video, go ahead and check it out. I'll list it above. This time I did go with one of the synthetic materials, but she said make sure it is a certain version of the synthetic material. So I did go with a polyester blend, but it was more on the softer side of the polyester. She said no to rough looking polyester. But when I saw this dress, it was just so beautiful online. But one thing that just really turns me off online, like these women have no curves, they have no boobs, and the dress just drapes on them, and it doesn't look vulgar. So something will not look vulgar on somebody who's very slim with no curves, and then when I put it on, it may look vulgar, but it's the same dress. And it did have a deep V, so I'm a little worried. She said do not wear vulgar clothing. So let me get that sheet that's talking about that. So I'm trying to stay away from showing too much skin, which normally I don't do anyway. It says vulgarity is declassed. Don't show your underwear, don't show too much skin, cleavage, don't wear big logos, don't wear heels with a platform, no short bodycon dresses, and don't wear fake designers. So, it did have a deep V, and the lady didn't have any breasts, so it didn't look vulgar, so hopefully it won't look vulgar on me. She said your clothes must look immaculate and wrinkle-free. Shoes must always be polished. White sneakers must be perfectly clean. Shoes cannot be worn out, scuffy. Your heels must be in full working order. So she talked a lot about the heel height that you should wear in the daytime when you're going places in the day, so you don't look out of place or like you're trying too hard. No stilettos in the daytime, none of that. She recommend espadrilles, which I love espadrilles, but it's hard finding some of the right height that are comfortable. If you go over 3 inches in espadrilles, it's just like wearing a stiletto because it's pushing down and it's not comfortable. And I have some that are about 5 inches espadrilles that are not comfortable, and I can show them to you. So it was kind of hard trying to find some espadrilles. I mean, it was kind of hard. And she recommended some silk ones that she loves to wear. It was definitely hard trying to find the silk ones. I saw like one place where they were like $150, so I wanted to keep mine under 100. So I saw some on ASOS that I had been eyeing for a while now, and I don't know why I never purchased them. So I went ahead and got them because she said espadrilles are a staple that you must have, and you can wear these in the daytime with your dresses and not look like you're trying too hard or overdressing. And everything that I got in this haul that I decided to follow the how to look expensive cheat sheet I got from ASOS, and I'll show you the difference as well in a espadrille just too high and just uncomfortable versus the ones that Anna recommended. So let's get right to it. All right, so these are a pair I got from ASOS. These are 3 inches. I didn't have one in my skin tone, so this was the closest to my skin tone, which is just like a nude color. This is a great color to have, and she recommended because it can go with many things. I would have liked it to be satin, or silk, but it wasn't. But these are doable. I just got these the other day, and I did wear them once to make sure they're comfortable and they were. So this is the difference that I'm telling you. These are the pairs that's hard to find, the 3 inches or lower. These are easy to find. I got these off Just Fab and I have not wore them. So look at the difference. This heel is almost 5 inches with the platform, and this is 3 inches. So you can already tell that it's going to be pushing down on your foot, and it's going to be harder to walk in. So, for example, let me show you. So when I put this on, it's already my foot is pushing down, and it's just like forcing my, it's such a big arch that it's forcing my feet down to the front. It's not comfortable at all. That's how it looks. You see how tall it is? Yeah, it's cute, but it's not comfortable. That arch is in my foot, and I don't see myself walking a lot of places in this versus this one. This one just looks more classier. It's way lower, you know, the heel is 3 inches, so this one is 5. I don't have that extreme like pushing down of my foot, that arch in it. And it's just comfortable. It just looks classier. All right, so you see the difference? I can walk all day in these. It'll look good with those silk dresses that I had on my last video. It just looks classier than this one. So you see the difference? So once again, I got this one from ASOS and this one from Just Fab. This one from ASOS was $40. It was on sale, and I got it in 11. I always go up a size in any shoe that's closed-toed, because one of my toes is bigger than the other one. On my right foot is bigger than the other one, and I like to be comfortable.
So I decided to get these in black as well because I wear a lot of things that go with black, a lot of things that can be worn with nude. So I just got both pairs so I can just have them and have them on each occasion that I need them for. They look exactly the same, but just in black, made out of the same material and same fabric. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tie these up and wrap these around. They are a size 11 as well. They feel exactly the same, comfortable, 3 inches, and cute. So here's the ASOS dress. I ordered a few other random things, but the dress is in this bag, and I'm just going to show you that this beautiful Grecian sage dress that I was bragging about in the beginning of the video. So let's take a look. So let's unbox this beautiful dress. Here it goes. And remember what I said earlier, this model on the right, she's straight up and down, so the dress just drapes over her and just falls on her beautifully. But it will not look the same on me because I have breasts and a few curves.
I just want to thank God, all my acting coaches, everybody who stood by me. I want to thank everybody for my support, for their support. I would have never made it without their support.
So here's an up close look at the dress. And the color is a little different from what it looks like on the website, but I would call this a very light sage, and it has a little crisscross in the back. It really just reminds me of a Grecian goddess. I just feel so elegant. But you will need some very high heels because this is the tall collection and it's tall. But it does have a little split. Here's a view of the dress from all angles so you can just get a feel as to what it looks like. It does have a zipper on the side. It's hidden.
Alright, so I hope you like the video. This color is sage and it's a soft polyester. This material is pretty well made, decent material. It's not rough, as like she said, so I followed those directions. I got the 2 epidurals for the daytime and it did not look vulgar, which I am happy about. I really like this dress. This dress was $69, I think, and each pair of the epidurals were $40, but I will link them below. I got this in a medium. It is fitting kind of big up here, but I like the way it fit at the bottom, so I can get this kind of, I think I can actually put that Fenty bra back on with this, and it'll take up some of that space, but I do like this. And I'll take this on my little girls trip this weekend as well, next weekend. And definitely will have to wear some high heels with this. This was from the ASOS Tall collection, okay? Because I am 5'9", so I like, when I wear a long dress, I like it to be long because I am gonna wear some heels. So this is from the Tall collection. So if you're petite, you can get one from the petite collection, okay? So, how do you think I did this time around? Comment below and let me know how do you think I did with my how to look expensive. And I did this under $150, under $200, we'll just say that. Because I think the shoes, yeah, so under $200. And it really looks like I just won an Academy Award. So please like, subscribe, comment below how do you like the dress, and I'll see you guys in my next video.